Hi everyone, this is Teresa and thanks for stopping by my stamp room today. Today I'm going to show you how to use these Cling adhesives. They are new to the 2020 to 2021 Stampin' Up! Annual Catalog. They can be found on page 162, right down here. And they are used to convert your clear mount stamps, which is what we used to carry, to cling mount stamps. Clear mount stamps were great, except they didn't adhere to the clear acrylic block really well, but our new cling mount is super awesome. So for those of us who still have some clear mount, they've come out with a nice product to help us convert it to clear mount. So I'd like to show you what that product is. So I'm going to turn around the camera and we'll get started. Okay, so here we go. Here are the cling sheets. Okay. And they are pre-scored. So you can take off a big strip or just a little strip if you want. Okay. So the stamp set that I'm going to choose to transform is the Rooted in Nature. I got this when it first came out, and it is clear mount. And as you can see, I actually didn't put the stickers on because the stickers weren't very sticky. So let's pick a couple of these images. Now this is how I put the stickers on. I take the entire sticker off. I take off half the backing. And make sure I get this. Okay. All right, so there is our stamp. And if you can see, I can't pick it up with my fingers. Here's a block. You press it down for a few moments, and then by static cling, it sticks to your block. Okay. Let me grab a stamp set. That is Cling. Let's do Sailing Away. And here is a Cling. Looks exactly the same. It is our red rubber. Okay. Except when you pick it up, it does not come off. And if you put it on the block, definitely doesn't come off, and you actually have to peel it. So it just pops right off. So I want to transform this one into a cling mount. So what I'm going to do is just there, that's better. Put one about right there, and then I'll put one on the other side. So all you need is just enough to adhere to your block better. So I'm just going to put 2 pieces on there. Okay, and then as you can hear, it does not want to come off. So it's not going to go anywhere. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do this leaf. Okay, there's that. And then I'm going to actually cut this in half this way. I'll put that right there. Okay. So now it sticks and definitely is not coming off the block. So there you go. That's transforming your clear mount stamps into a cling mount stamp. Hope you like my video, and I'll talk to you later. Thank you. Bye-bye.